The account settings can be found on the drop-down of the Account button at the top right-hand corner of the admin portal. The account settings allow the administrator and entity to customize the display and procession of certain sections within TDS. The administrator has the ability to choose which income type should be included within the system. For example, if the entity was only distributing scholarships, then you as an administrator can unselect the other income types that you do not expect to pay, such as income code 11, motion picture or television copyright royalties. In this case, the users will then only see the finance questions relating to scholarships. The administrator can add and define program types as shown on the screen. The administrator has the ability to select if they do not wish for TDS to generate W7s to records assigned to certain program types. In the tax number section, the entity can request TDS to prepare an SS5 form for Social Security numbers or W7 for items based on the information in the user's profile. The entity can select whether they are an SEV approved institution, add the responsible person's details, and add a sample of the certification letter that will appear in the user's profile along with their W7 form. In the default variable section, you can choose whether you want TDS to grant tax treaty to those who are already residents for tax purposes, where this is applicable. The foreign person account settings allows you to hide or lock different identification number fields in the foreign national questionnaire. In this section, you can choose whether you would like to use the payments module in TDS. For more information on this functionality, please see the payments module videos. The entity can also add a unique name or label to the foreign national's individual number field in the questionnaire. All questions marked with an asterisk must be answered, otherwise the system will not allow you to submit the settings.